See, I'm a bit of a self-tape anomaly, I think. I look at self-tapes with the same eye that I would look at an audition. If I've done the prep leading up to it, I lead up to an audition with the same prep. I lead up to that self-tape with the same prep. And obviously, you've got to set the cameras up and the lights and all that kind of jazz. But I see people going, oh, it's taken me 8 hours to do this self-tape. And I just go, what are you doing, man? Stop that. Stop it. When you're in an audition, you get maybe, two reads? Anything after that, you're just beating yourself up and you're watching it back and you're going, oh, I'm moving my eye. Weird. I'll do it again. Oh, now my voice sounds funny. I'll do it again. Then 8 hours later, you've wasted a day. You've driven yourself absolutely insane. And you probably know better off. You probably send the first take anyway. So I'll do 2 takes. If I do 3, it's because I've got the lines wrong. And I treat it like an audition. Yeah, you want to be sending the best version of you, but if you've done that prep leading up to it, you're still going to do that. You're going to do exactly what you would do in the audition.